Hey girls, welcome back to the channel for another video this week. If you're new to my channel, I am GeranikaMycia, but all my friends call me G. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back this week and clicking on my face. And if you haven't already, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and do not forget to follow your girl on Instagram for all of my fabulous updates, and come back each week for weekly uploads, girl. So it's around that time, honey. The seasons has changed. It is Vlogmas. So y'all, I am trying my hardest to be as consistent as possible. I can't lie, I'm very proud of myself because I have been very consistent here on YouTube, but also I'm still working my job full-time. So, ooh, girl. Also, for the people who's gonna ask, I have on like this 3-piece set that I purchased from Fashionnova. I was very surprised at the quality. However, I've never shopped with Fashionnova, so I didn't know Fashionnova was like expensive. This 3-piece little shindig was $60. I don't know if there's, I was expecting Fashionnova to just be like cheaper. I don't know why, but I feel like I could have got it for a lower price point from like Pretty Little Things, 40% off, you know. But I can't lie, this is like my go-to when I'm running around the house trying to be cute, chilling. I just have on, it's like a Co-ord. It has some long pants, yeah, all that cute stuff. But it's real cute, guys. It's real cute. It's very fuzzy, real cute. Quality is there, and she's giving boobage. So as you girls can tell by the title, we have an unboxing today. I'm very excited about this unboxing because with the Hermes sandals, the Hermès Oran sandals, I've been wanting these sandals for a very long time. Everybody usually purchase like the popular colors, like the black, the white, the brown. I feel like when it comes to, okay, hair, hold on. I feel like when it comes to shoes, bags, accessories, stuff like that, you should definitely, well, me personally, I like to just have a little more fun with it. I like to buy colorful things because with my outfits, I usually keep like, well, not always, but like blacks, whites. Sometimes I'll switch it up with like colorful things, but for shoes and stuff, I like to kind of switch it up and do bright, bold colors. So with these sandals, I got a very pretty color. So before I start rambling, let me just go ahead and do the unboxing. I'm going to show that to you guys, and then we'll get into all the tea on the shoes, girl. Like, how obsessed are you? Girl, the color is everything. Like, more than I could have ever expected. I am like obsessed. Now I want them in all colors. I have been stalking the Hermes website because there's so many more colors that I want. I'm sure I'll get like the black because black is like a uniform for me. Always need black, white, and I'll end up buying the brown. However, right now that's just not on my list. So I actually want the pink. The pink was so gorgeous. I missed out on those, and they had like the suede hot pink, gorgeous. But I called Hermes. They kept telling me always check back because they constantly restock. So I'm always like checking back, honey. I will bookmark something for the gods and click. What we doing? Nothing. Click. I will keep seeing if it's in stock if I want it. So the shoes come in the beautiful Hermes box. Y'all know how I feel about Hermès Orange, so I love Hermès Orange. Hermès Orange to me is just so beautiful. So it came in the box. It came with 2 dust bags. Hold on. 2 Hermes dust bags, which I was very happy about, but come on, it's Hermes. I didn't expect nothing least. But when I travel, I like to always travel with my shoes in a dust bag, whether they're luxury, designer, or Target or Zara. I keep everything in a dust bag because you just always want to protect it from getting smushed or getting ruined. So yeah, it also came with the receipt and care instructions. So yes, so let's get into the shoes. We could just take these off. First of all, girl, look at these shoes. They're gorgeous. Like, the color is everything. Let's see. I'm gonna add me trying them on the screen, so it's gonna be somewhere on the screen. But first of all, guys, the color is gorgeous. If I turn them, you can see the color better like this. I am highly obsessed. Like, girl, that's all I can say is girl. And on your feet, they just look so dainty and so cute. So with the Hermes these sandals, I was very confused about the size. I did not know what size I wanted to get. I didn't know if I want to get my regular 39, 39 and a half, or 40. Anytime I'm buying shoes, I stick in that range. 39, 39 and a half, 40, or sometimes 40 and a half. With these, I went ahead and sized up because I wanted them to fit without being too tight. I heard a lot of reviews saying right in this area, they get very narrow and they get a little tight if you need a little width. So I went ahead and got a 40. They fit perfectly, girl. Let me scoot over. Let me see. I need to scoot over so I can put it on the screen for you guys. So if I go here, I'm gonna try them on right here. So as you see, they look so cute on my feet. They're so dainty, and I'm highly obsessed with anklets right now. So it just looks so cute with my anklet. I love the color on my skin. I cannot wait for like spring, summertime to wear these. I feel like these are going to be my go-to shoe, and I think these are going to look gorgeous paired with oversized. Y'all remember that oversized button up that I purchased from Zara? It was in my Zara haul. That oversized button up with my yellow Saint Laurent Sac de Jour and these. That is going to be so pretty. Like, look at this. So gorgeous. And I really was like highly obsessed when I unboxed this okay, girl. When I unboxed these shoes, first of all, they came very secured. I was kind of annoyed because they said that I would have to sign for the package. However, FedEx around this area is a little hood. I don't know if y'all remember in my previous videos, one of the FedEx men tried to fight my neighbor. Girl, the FedEx is a little ghetto. And I don't really like FedEx because they always doing some shady, janky-ish. So I was at the nail shop. They say the package was delivered. And I'm like, how's the package delivered? I didn't sign for it. Also, it said I signed for it. So I'm like, okay, what's going on? I was so scared because around this time, I never get packages delivered to my house. Especially luxury items that I'm purchasing. I always pick them up from UPS or from the post office or whatever. I tell them to hold it and then I'm going to go and pick it up. They didn't give me the option to do that with FedEx. They was like, it needs to be signed for. So, girl, I still didn't sign for it. They left the package in the bushes, girl. In the bushes. I am calling FedEx like, I didn't receive the shoes. Where's the package? They was like, oh, we tracked it. It's at your house. Girl, so I go outside just, where's the package? Girl, the package was in the bushes. Like, tucked behind the bushes. I was so annoyed. It came in this silver packaging. And it was very secure. You had to like go through customs and security to get to the package. You had to unbox a whole bunch of stuff, which I was totally fine with because I want my packages to be secure, especially luxury items. But shipping, I ordered them on a Saturday. They shipped out on that Monday and I got them that Thursday. So shipping was pretty quick. Shipping was also free. These shoes do retail for $630. I need to get my phone because I'm gonna forget some things. The shoes retail for $630. With tax, I paid $658. Now, for sandals, guys, that is a little pricey, but I wanted them, so whatever. Don't kill me. But I see a lot of people with like the Dior, the Dior sandals, and they say Christian Dior going across. Now those, I used to want those, but I'm so happy I waited and I did not get those. I feel like these are way more classic than the Dior slides or any other slides I'm really seeing out there right now. The Dior's, they're very trendy. The Hermès sandals, they was on trend for a while, but I feel like this is something that's going to be in your closet forever. Also, the resale price on the Hermès Oran sandals are damn near close to the original price. So honestly, I would not suggest buying these pre-loved. I would just say go ahead and get you a pair from Hermès, because the price that I've seen for these sandals be like $590, $620. If I'm gonna pay $620 or $590 for it, I can go ahead and pay $658 for them. Like, hello. Okay, just a few details about the sandals. I didn't get the smooth leather. I just feel like I honestly don't like smooth leather in these shoes. Something about the texture leather, let's see what the name of it. It's the Epsom calf skin leather. I love the fact that it has like texture. So let me show you guys. Hold on. As you can see, it has like texture. I feel like these look way better than the smooth leather. And I also think, hold on, zoom in, babes. I also think with these, the smooth leather, they stretch out way more. From the people that I've spoken to, they say the smooth leather definitely stretches a little more, which I expect these. They come right here, it is a little narrow, but since I sized up, I don't really have that problem. However, with the smooth leather, I feel like they would stretch out more. Now with this leather is very, very sturdy. I don't expect it to stretch out as quick as the smooth leather. So these sandals have the iconic H cutout, which I absolutely love. It has a natural leather sole, and this color is the poppy orange. I saw these online. These were not on my wish list. I just was scrolling to see if the pink was in stock, and I saw these. Now, when I saw these, I love Hermès orange. So I was like, oh my God, these just give me Hermès orange vibes. Like, Hermès orange is just my vibe. And these were giving me Hermès orange vibes. I don't know, well, yeah, it's about the same color. See, when I turn them this way, you can kind of see the color better than this. The light is kind of reflecting, washing them out a little. So I'm going to just kind of keep them because I want you guys to really get into this color, babe. She is it. But yes, when I saw these, I was like, have to have them. Also, the poppy orange was just great. The soles are goat skin, and the bottom have like, they're wooden. Now, it has a little padding. However, these shoes don't really have too much cushion. They're very, very flat. I don't see myself traveling. Like, let's say if I'm going somewhere and I'm gonna be walking all day, I would not wear these in New York if I'm going like a million places. I've learned my lesson with New York, girl. You better wear some tennis shoes. If you're going somewhere, if you're going somewhere, you know you're gonna be walking a lot. I would not suggest these because they're very flat and they're very hard. They're beautiful, but they're hard. Now, the question that I've been seeing all over the place is it worth $650, depending on where you're at? Let's say $630 because I paid $658 plus that's with tax. Is it worth the money? Honestly, at first I was just like, when I opened it, I was in love, but I just was like, is these worth $658? Then when I just start considering other shoes I've purchased, the quality of these shoes are like unmatched. Like, guys, they give me the vibe that if I can have them for years. You can actually wear them without worrying about them falling apart, because you know, with sandals in the summertime, girl, we wear them a lot, and the wear and tear on sandals are just like they can get wore out very, very quick. So, worth the money? I'm honestly going to say, for me personally, it just depends on the person. For me personally, I feel like I'm definitely going to get the cost per wear with these, because this summer, girl, I'm going to wear these a lot. And I also plan on getting a couple more colors. So I personally think it is worth it. It's a timeless, classic item that you're going to have in your wardrobe forever. And if you're looking to like invest in a good shoe, a good summer shoe that you want to have a while, these are your girl. Like, I have nothing negative to say about them. I am absolutely in love. And I also want to say be careful, because there's a lot of fakes right now of this shoe on the market. And I was like, oh my God, a girl on here on YouTube, she did like a review. She got sent a fake pair she purchased from Poshmark. I feel like this: if you see these shoes on sale for $100, somebody selling for $100, if they're in perfect condition, you need to go ahead and be like, common sense. They're most likely fake. They're not gonna, nobody's selling these shoes for $100. So definitely be on the lookout for that. One thing did giveaway with these shoes, the fakes I've seen, the H cutout is always wrong. The shape of the toe right here, always wrong. The sole is usually different colors. You'll know. You'll definitely know. Another thing, this shoe comes in so many different shades, leathers, prints. They really like have something for everybody when it comes to this shoe. Now, with the Hermès Oran sandal, I always kind of vibe with the colors that go all the way around, meaning they would have, let's say they'll have white, the sole will be brown, the outer sole may be like white. I don't like that. If I'm a buy these shoes, I want it to be fully the color. I don't mind the bottom, of course, because it's going to get ruined, but see how everything is orange: the heel, the bottom, the sole, everything about the shoe is orange. And that's what I wanted, girl. And it gives me Hermès orange vibes. Kind of off the poppy orange, but Hermès orange is just so undefeated, girl. Can't be touched. But yes, they come in so many different colors. So any color that I purchase, besides like the white, because I'm not really a white shoe type of girl. I'm kind of easing into white shoes. I just think white shoes are low-key country as hell. But lately, I've been seeing people do it, and they do it so well. Actually, I was not sold on the white. I just did not want the white. And then I seen Brittany from Pocket and Bows. She did the white, and when she put them on, I was like, oh. And I think it's because we have like the same skin tone, so she kind of like showed me the vibe, showed me how I could expect it to look on me, and girl, it kind of sold me. It kind of sold me. So I know sooner or later I'm going to purchase the black, the white, and the brown. I honestly wouldn't mind starting a cute little collection of these shoes. So you guys will definitely be seeing more of this girl. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Like I said, I have nothing negative to say about these shoes. I would definitely say size up if you have wide feet, you want like some room. If you don't have wide feet, if you have narrow feet, I will go ahead and say get your regular size, because you may not need too much room, and especially the fact that they're going to stretch out sooner or later because the shoes are leather. So yes, that's sizing, because girl, I was a little shaky about the sizing because I just didn't know. And with Hermes these sandals, they sell out so quick. As soon as Hermes put them on a website, the sizes are just like leaving. So I knew I only had a small window, a small opportunity to get the shoes. And I didn't have time to, it was either buy a size and kind of like wing it, or buy 2 sizes and return 1. I wasn't in the mood to have $1,200 come out of my account for the fun of it. So I went ahead and got the 40, and I am happy. I'm like obsessed with Hermès orange. Highly obsessed, guys. Oh, y'all, I just can't. So cute. Girl, they're so gorge. They have this blue pair. I was about to purchase them the other day. Girl, I missed out. My friend called me, Ray, called me, and we saw FaceTiming and got too excited. And then next thing I know, we on the phone listening to City Girls dancing, cutting up. And by the time I get off the phone with him, the shoes were gone. So I don't know. Maybe that's not, it was not meant to be, but something as fabulous as this, I think, is always meant to be. So yeah, girls, that's it for this video. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and come back each week for weekly uploads. If you guys haven't watched the Vlogmas vlog episode or week 1, I'm gonna go ahead and link it above. Go ahead and get your life boo and watch it, and I'm gonna see you girls later.